everyone, so I'll just walk you through the job. I'm just going to show you the actual carpet that we're going to remove today. So this is one of the rooms, one of the other. So this is all old carpet. It's commercial carpet for an office. So this is all going to be removed and we're going to change it and install carpet tiles for our lovely customer. This is the second stage of the installation. So we ripped up all the carpet and the next step is to remove it and start the carpet tile installation. This is stage 3. All the carpet has been removed. If you have a look here, it's all been removed. Now we're up to the floor preparation and then the carpet installation or the carpet tile installation after that. Alright guys, so this is the end results of the carpet tile installation. If you have a look here, these are the black and white carpet tiles installed perfectly by our technicians. I'll just walk you through the job. Laid down to perfection. Alright guys, that's it for today. If anyone requires a carpet tile installation job or a quote, please visit our website on www.carpetcareandrepair.com.au or send us an email at info@carpetcareandrepair.com.au or feel free to call us on 0450 245 246. Thank you.